Hi there, students. The vagaries of something. A vagary, you could have it in the singular. I think most commonly it's in the plural, though. Okay, if we talk about the vagaries of something, these are unexpected events or unexpected changes that you can't control but can influence a situation. So, if you plan things in the UK, if you plan an outdoor event, you need to remember the vagaries of the British weather. It could be beautiful weather a couple of days before and then pour with rain on the day of your event. Yeah. So, yeah, the success of your event may be determined by the vagaries of the British weather. Okay. Yeah, fashion changes, the vagaries of fashion. Fashion changes, and we don't know why. So it's talking about unexpected changes that are inexplicable. They're like quirks or idiosyncrasies, oddities, eccentricities, peculiarities, unpredictability. Okay, so the vagaries of traveling in a third world country, yeah, you'll get there, but you might have unexpected events on the way. Um, Okay, this person is very unpredictable, and it's very often impossible to explain the vagaries of their behavior. So maybe vagaries, erratic, strange actions, whims, caprices as well. Um, okay, so yeah, the vagaries of his mood. Sometimes he's really happy, sometimes he's energetic, sometimes he's sad. Okay, so vagaries, whims, caprices, urges, fancies, impulses, quirks. Okay, and this is the idea of vagaries. The vagaries of love. Yeah, this is something that affects all of us. The vagaries of chance. Sometimes you're very lucky and sometimes you're very unlucky. So you can't leave this situation to the vagaries of chance. You need to plan ahead. You need to think what you're going to do. Okay, so unpredictable events, unpredictable actions, unpredictable something unpredictable. So the vagaries of politics. One minute everybody supports this policy, and a week later nobody does. Okay, the vagaries of British spelling. I've definitely used that phrase. Yeah, English. The vagaries of English spelling. Daughter, enough. Words like that, or the vagaries of English pronunciation. It's because it is like that, and that's the way we do it. Yeah, it's like it has its own whims, its caprices. It decides what to do. Some sort of irregularity that is very important and influences the word, but you don't have any control over it. Yeah, so yeah, I think. British spelling and pronunciation is rather outlandish. Yeah, it's full of vagaries. Okay, this pronunciation is one of the vagaries of British pronunciation, one of the oddities. Um, okay, yes, I guess you could also use this to talk about something vague. He spoke in vagaries. Without being concrete, it was very vague. um let's see, this word comes from Italian, vagare, to wander, from vagari in Latin, to wander, vagus, wandering, I guess, as in a vagabond. Yeah, it wanders, it's got an erratic course, you can't follow it. Vagaries, formality. I think I would give it a 6 in formality. I think you could just about use it in an informal conversation, but you can use it anywhere. I think better in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, something like that. Okay, so it's imprecise, it's not vague, it suddenly decides to do its own thing. So enough, the vagaries of the English language. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Vagaries, the vagary of something.